What's up, world? We are back. Joining us today is Gloria's son, Marcos. Marcos, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
And right now we are getting prepared to roll the tamales. Gloria, you want to show us how we get started?
I sure do. You get that corn husk right here? This is the rough side and this is the smooth side right here. And when it's a big one like this, like I say, you have to put that much in it. And then you spread it like that. Then you're ready to put the meat on them.
So you get the meat in here, you want to make sure you get enough meat and enough juice. Not too much juice because then it ends up squirting out when you tie them. Then I put some raisins in there, like 3 or 4. 2 olives. I roll it up. Squeeze everything in there. Hand it over to the next person. And they tie it.
Alright, so what do I,
So you grab these ties, James.
Okay, alright.
Grab one. You
Okay.
get one. You get the pointy end first on the corn husk.
Alright. Like this?
Just like that.
Okay. I'm going to wrap it around like this.
Wrap it around, just tie a knot in it.
We'll tie a knot into it now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then, what do I do with the other side over here?
Well, this other side, see, if you can see, it's kind of like oozing out a little bit the juice.
Okay.
So what we usually do, you pick them up like that,
Alright.
and grab your other tie, which
Okay.
these are from the corn husk. We strip them as we go,
Okay.
and that's why we soak them, because they get soft and you can tie them in a knot really easily.
So I see my juices coming out here. Is that,
That's normal.
okay.
It's going to happen, and you just tie a knot in it.
I'm going to tie another
And
knot
if it does,
here.
and if it breaks, you can always get another tie or double knot it.
Okay.
And when you're done with that, you set it over there in that tray, and then we put them in the steamer after the tray is full.
Alright, I'm going to put this over here. There we go.
Here's another one.
Alright. We'll take one of these ties over here. Now, how long does this process usually take?
Well, this probably takes, for about 8 dozen, it probably takes about, if you have about 4 people doing this, it takes about an hour, hour and a half to get them all filled up and in the steamer.
Now, I heard in most traditions, families come together in this type of,
Well, this is a good time to come together, because if it don't, nobody's going to help you.
That's good. That's good. But people at home could also do this on their own. They don't even necessarily need.
Yes, my mother has made tamales by herself for years. She's made like 8, 10 dozen by herself. So, but that's with years and years of experience.
So family members are always good to have around.
Yeah.
It's better to do it all together. It's just
It's fast.
brings everybody together.
Yeah.
And if there's any problems or anything, they're gone at the moment.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, is this usually a family tradition that you guys have? Is there a specific time of the year you guys all come together and make tamales?
Well, it was before.
Before, huh?
Yeah. I haven't made any tamales for Christmas in quite a while.
Oh,
I
boy.
just make them as needed, you know, it's like.
Now,
Sure.
traditionally, is Christmas time usually the
Christmas
time?
time, yeah, Christmas time.
Okay.
And sometimes she'll make them around Thanksgiving too, just to.
If you don't want to
Break
have
it
a
up a
turkey,
little
you're
bit.
gonna have tamales.
There we go. If you don't want to have turkey, you're going to have tamales.
Yeah, that's right.
Now, am I doing this okay? I feel like
You're doing a great job.
I feel
But
like
just make sure you keep the sauce in there, because the ones that are dry, you're gonna eat them.
Okay.